Hey everyone, welcome back to Survival Addiction. Today we will be doing a review of the Stedemon Titanium Blue Anodized Pen. So this is about 3 inches and it weighs about 1 ounce. So it does have a titanium pocket clip and it also has a glass breaker right here. So I loved the color of this. That's why I ended up getting it. So it costed $46. Thing that annoys me the most about it is I've had such a hard time finding refills that will fit. It's just such a weird size. And I've reached out to the company through Facebook and through Amazon, even though I actually technically bought this from BladeHQ, just to try and find out what refills I'm supposed to get for it. I've spent probably about an hour just on Amazon just trying to find refills that would fit. But so far every refill that I've looked at is either too wide or too long. It's just a really awkward size. I do love the materials. I love the color. The refills bother me that I can't find them very easily. As far as writing goes, also kind of annoyed because for a pen like this, it doesn't write super awesome. It like gives out after a while. Like sometimes it will write really well, but like the very first time I used it, the ink was like very wimpy. So it comes in this little container, right? And actually on BladeHQ, they advertise giving you a refill. So I was like, oh, cool. I can, change it out if the one in this doesn't work. But when I received it, there was no refill. So also had to reach out to the company for that because I don't know if they just didn't update their description and there actually isn't a refill anymore, or if they just forgot to put it in the case. Either way, I probably would only recommend it if they advertise like what the refill is. It's a beautiful pen, it feels nice, it's good materials, and I'd probably only give it a 3 out of 5 just because it's a pen. It's supposed to write, and functionality wise isn't there. Design is there, materials is there, but functionality is not. And then obviously if you don't have refills, then you're literally spending $46 on a one-use pen. And in my case, for example, it doesn't write great all the time. And I really do love this pen. Like I can just throw it in my coin pocket. And girls' pants, they never have very big pockets. So having items that actually fit is nice. Anyways, I'll let you guys know if I end up finding the refills because it is a beautiful pen. And I liked that it was a lot cheaper than other tactical pens because they advertise it as a tactical pen. I saw it more as a beautiful pen that I can take around with me, and also as a glass breaker, so it's kind of nice. Okay, well anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks, bye.